so far with Minitab practice? We learned to plot Pareto. Am I right?
Yes.
We learned to plot weighted Pareto.
Yes, histogram.
What is the purpose of weighted Pareto? The way we prioritize and the criteria of prioritizing of our management, we are trying to match. For that purpose, we have converted the count into weighted count. Weighted count can help you understand the cost, can help you understand any criteria that your management is interested. So that's the weighted Pareto. For that purpose, we the Pareto option. Pareto option was under stat. After stat, it was under QC tools. And then stat, QC tool, and then we have seen the Pareto. Right? So if you maybe, I think data file, you also have data file? Yes, you have data file. Yes, sir. Please click that. Stat, QC tool, Pareto.
Pareto only?
Yeah, click Pareto. Yes. And now, I think now we are in the different worksheet. So that's the reason why. Not a problem. You can cancel this. You can cancel this. If you want to plot Pareto, then you should click the other worksheet in the bottom. Here in the bottom. Worksheet 2, just just before worksheet 2. Yeah, you click that. Now you will be able to plot Pareto. Plot it, please. Stat. QC tool. Pareto. And now you can choose X variable and Y variable. X variable is, no, X variable cannot be cost. X variable should be attribute.
C1 defects.
Different types of, yeah, C1. And Y variable can be any cost or count or better not the cost. You go for the count into cost. Yes, it is a weighted Pareto. You can give OK. This is how we learned how to plot a weighted Pareto using Minitab. And similarly, going to worksheet 2, please go to worksheet 2. Here what we learned to plot histogram. Histogram is visualizing the data, how the data is distributed. And we know how to plot histogram. We also know how to plot histogram with the fit. Let us do it for any one of the thing, right? Column 3. For column 3, can you plot the histogram with fit? Graph. Histogram and choose with fit option. And now you have to choose column number 3. Yes. Now your histogram is also ready. So we get some idea how my data is distributed. What is the lowest? What is the highest? What is the center? And with respect to the center, how my other data are. And now let us also go to graph one more time. Go to graph. Now you go to box plot. Find out where is box plot.
Yes, got it.
No, this is graph, box plot. Yeah, box plot. And now simple box plot. Okay. And you click any one, laboratory one. Give OK. Now, this is your box plot. Now, what is this box plot is telling you? There is a horizontal center line. Can all of you see a horizontal center line?
Yes. Minimum, maximum?
No. That horizontal center line. Yes. What is that showing when you go there? Yes. Let us read that. Median is 178.53. The median means, what is median? The center value.
Average.
Median and average, there is a difference. Average is obtained by adding all the numbers and dividing by the number of data. Add all the data and divide by number of data, that is average. But what is median? You have to arrange the data in either ascending or descending.
It seems to be equidistant from the variables. The midterm.
Come again.
Which seems to be equidistant from all the variables in the middle.
You are trying to give the definition for median.
Yes, yes. That means
Median is the central value. That's all. Central value. If you have 120 numbers, right? You arrange 120 numbers in ascending order. Ascending means, like increasing order. Now, what is the center number for 120? Maybe 60, 61, isn't it? 60, 61 or 60 and 61, probably. Now, there are two numbers in the center. You average out the two number. That average is going to be the median. That is represented as the center line here.
Yes,
The horizontal line is nothing but median. Median is also known as Q2. What is Q2? Quartile 2. Quartile 2 means exactly 50% of the data will be below quartile 2. What is your quartile 2 value? 178.5. Now you plotted the box plot for which column you plotted?
Laboratory 1.
Laboratory 1. Now look at the data. Find out what percentage of the data will be below the 178. Can you just have a glance? Do it manually. Go to column number 1. Approximately tell me what percentage of data. Just for 10 data, you check. How many are below 178? How many are above 178? Very tough job, right?
Yes.
approximately
That is
88,
why
90.
understanding the terms is very, very helpful. You don't have to actually do everything. Minitab is doing. So approximately, not approximately, 50% of your data will definitely be below median. Considering all 120, if you manually categorize, the value below 178, above 178. So exactly 50% will come below 178, above 50% will come. That means that 178 is nothing but the median. All of you understand meaning of median?
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving you three numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is the median here?
3.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3.
3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now what will be the median now?
3 and 4, that we have to take average, sir.
So 3.5.
3.5.
5.
That's all. All of you now know the meaning of median. The meaning of median is different from average. If the number is normal, equally spaced, mean and median will be same. But if the number is having different interval, then mean will be different, median will be different. You have to be careful, right? And now, what is the bottom line of your box? Just a line, horizontal line below median. This is called quartile 1. Now, can one of you define what is the meaning of quartile 1?
There's a point
The
below
baseline of the
25%,
data.
sir.
Point below?
25%, sir.
Very good. Below quartile 1, you will have 25% of your data. You can expect 25% of your data to be below quartile 1. So what is quartile 1? 170.185. Now going to quartile 3. Which is quartile 3? Can you show me, one of you? Quartile 3. Top line. Top line,
top.
the box. This is quartile 3. Now for quartile 3, below the quartile 3, what percentage of the data will be available?
75%.
75. Which means above quartile 3, you only have 25%.
95%.
That's all. And now can you also see a kind of star symbol in the diagram?
Yes.
There is a star in your, below quartile 1 also. There is a star above quartile 3 also. The star is, the box plot will indicate a star if the point is too far away from the center line. If the point is too far away from the center line. That means the asterisk symbol, right? Asterisk symbol represents outliers in your data. Outliers, right? That data, requires your attention. That is the meaning. From a norm, if your process is running normally, it is, this data will not appear. Something abnormality happened, and that's the reason why that data appeared. That is the meaning, right? So according to the box plot, that asterisk symbol, actually it is called as whisker. It is called as whisker. Let me put it in the chat box. What is its name?
Whisker.
Whisker, not whiskey. Right? So this means outlier. This means outlier. So you now found two ways of visualizing your data. How my data is distributed. How my data is distributed. One is histogram, the other one is box plot.
Box plot.
So always visualization, you can quickly understand what is your data communicating. Your data is trying to communicate only these information. Now, let us also